In the heart of a rugged forest, Alex, Mia, and Ethan embark on a survival training challenge that tests their skills at a wild river crossing. Guided by veteran trainer Lucy, they learn crucial techniques such as rope bridge construction and safe water navigation. Each team member contributes, with Alex securing knots, Mia directing the flotation, and Ethan timing movements, highlighting their teamwork. As they face unpredictable currents, their adaptability and strategic thinking shine through, ensuring a safe crossing. This experience emphasizes practical survival education in nature, focusing on river crossing strategies and resourcefulness.